Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days.
So earlier this year, I steam juiced my elderberries and processed the juice and canned it up. And now I'm going to take some of that juice and make a elderberry jelly.
Go. So we have our 4 cups of elderberry juice that we did in our steam canner. That into our pot over here. We've got 3 cups of sugar because I'm using the low sugar pectin. So we start out with a 1/4 cup of that 3 cups in there. And then our low sugar pectin. And what I didn't get for myself is a spoon. And 2 tablespoons tablespoons of the lemon juice. One, 2. Go ahead and whisk that. I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, I'll add the rest of the sugar. There, and cut. Alright, so I brought it up to a boil. Add the sugar. Get it stirred in there. Oh, it smells so good. It's the color of my shirt. I'm just going to add a pat of butter here. Butter was so hard. That tablespoon of butter.
It's so crumbly.
It's all crumbly. Oh, the butter was so frozen.
Yeah.
There. All right.
I had turned it down so you know, and if you can give it boiling again.
Let's turn it back up just a hair. All right. We'll get it boiling for a minute. We can stick it in our jars. And cook.
And by boiling, I mean a boil that doesn't stir down when you're stirring it and it stays boiling, a heavy rolling boil.
Do it for when I get off the top real quick. Do a little skin.
Filming. Yeah. That's what I love about healthy jam. It's like, is it jam or is it medicine?
I don't really like it.
said it would make 5 half pints, and I think that's about exactly what it's gonna make.
I'm gonna scrape this off of my spatula here. This one. Look at it. It's so pretty.
It's the color of my sweatshirt.
Oh, gosh, it's gorgeous. This is so nice.
It's already setting up on there. There's a big blob underneath again. Yeah, it's set up
Inside, outside?
outside.
Okay.
See it on top there? There you go.
Every last drop.
That's a precious can't call it medicine. Precious immune
Yeah,
boost. You're lucky I didn't get that on video.
Oh man. The help quit. We have a little bit left that we can have out too.
That's perfect though for tomorrow morning for breakfast.
Oh,
Maybe a quarter pint. So 5 1/4.
I'm gonna put the rest of it in there.
Yeah. That works. You're doing the cleanup, but I'm going to get the lids on. You're cleaning up before I'm even got it in the water bath.
Look at me cleaning up. That's why I laughed. Yes, I'm doing the cleanup over here. Oh man.
And as always, I got my
It's like a
superb
sucker.
lids. It's so good.
It's like a really good sucker.
All right, we'll get the lids on. We're gonna get it in the 10-minute water bath. And I guess I missed taking them out. I'm videoing after all. I hate it when I hit that button and think I'm videoing. But there you have it. Elderberry jelly is now out of the canner and ready to put on the shelves. We'll wait, make sure they're sealed. Have a great day, Rebel Canners.
This jelly is absolutely my favorite. It is the most delicious, and I really hope you enjoy it too, Rebel Canners. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks.